Hello! Welcome to Health Advice TV. Today, we will discuss a powerful little ingredient that has been used for thousands of years: garlic. Not only does it add flavor to your meals, but it's packed with some amazing health benefits. Let's dive into the top 5 health benefits of eating garlic. Benefit 1. Boosts immune system. Garlic boosts your immune system. Garlic is known to enhance the function of the immune system, helping your body fight off colds, flu, and infections. Benefit 2. Lowers blood pressure. It helps lower blood pressure. If you're dealing with high blood pressure, garlic could be a natural way to manage it. The active compounds in garlic relax the blood vessels and promote better circulation, which lowers blood pressure levels. Benefit 3. Improves cholesterol. Garlic can improve your cholesterol levels. Garlic is effective at reducing LDL, the bad cholesterol, while not affecting HDL, the good cholesterol. This can help lower your risk of heart disease. Benefit 4. Rich in antioxidants. Garlic is rich in antioxidants. These antioxidants help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and supporting brain health. It's even believed to reduce the risk of Alzheimer's and dementia. Benefit 5. Enhances detoxification. Garlic enhances detoxification. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that support the liver's detoxification process, helping to flush out harmful toxins from the body. This can promote overall health and vitality. So there you have it. Those are just 5 of the amazing health benefits that garlic has to offer. Whether you enjoy it raw, cooked, or in supplement form, adding garlic to your daily diet is a simple way to boost your health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and share your favorite ways to enjoy garlic in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time on Health Advice TV.